to sign up for Alipay account. First, you need to install Alipay on your phone. You can download Alipay app from Google Store or Apple Store. Open Alipay, click Agree the privacy policy. You can log in with your phone number or log in with Taobao account, or click on More options to log in with email. If you don't have Alipay account, then click on Sign up. You can sign up with email or phone number here. Here I'm going to sign up Alipay with email. Agree the privacy protection. Look here. It says Alipay needs to carry out real name system and perform anti-money laundering duties, so you need to provide some personal information such as your name, email, phone number, passport, and bank card information. Verify operation. Do it as it asks for. A verification code like this has been sent to your email. You need to enter the code. Now select country based on your passport or ID card. I don't need any service right now, so close this location requires pop-up. Okay, done. You have an Alipay account now, but it's useless without adding bank card and ID verification. Let's update account info to access more Alipay service in just 3 steps. Click here. Step 1. You need to complete real name verification and upload ID photo. Step 2. Add bank card so that you can enjoy both convenient and secure online payments and offline shopping. Step 3. Set username and profile picture and password to make your account more secure and convenient for others to transfer money to you. Or you can click on the setting icon at the top right corner. Click Account and Security. You can add mobile number here. I just used email to register Alipay account, but I highly recommend you to link your phone number as well. I mean, you better link both phone numbers and email information. That will save your time when you have account issues. And you can just use either phone number or email address as login way. Add, change, or delete email address by clicking here and setting password and login method here. What you need to do now is verify your identity information. Click on Region to select the right one, and then enter the passport information. Or click here to scan your passport to fill in automatically. Complete real name verification and upload your ID photo. You need to add bank card. Alipay accepts international bank card issued by Visa, Master, Diners Club, Discover, JCB, and UnionPay. If failed to add international bank card to Alipay, you may try the other bank cards. For example, if Visa card is not working, then you may try MasterCard. The app interface may be different. You can add or manage bank cards by clicking here as well. Once all get done, you can try to use it.